Joy is very upset that we have still not spoken about his team. So I wanted to wait till we were 1 hour in.
I'll see you in 7-8 minutes. See you. Bye.
Yeah, I thought we'd just get a couple of coffees. I'll also get some water. Here's the Calcutta team and their schedule. Sir, please carry on. Kaun hai? Baat kar.
Absolutely.
Please, sir, carry on.
No, it's an interesting team. It's very interesting buys. The kind of people they picked up. I mean, Harbhajan Singh, Shakib Al Hasan. Shakib is an interesting one, and I really am saying that, is this the year that Sunil Narine, finally one of the greats of the IPL, is this the year that he becomes a fringe player? Because if Shakib has to come into the team, the only place that he can really come in is that sort of batting all-rounder up front, which is Sunil Narine's position, because you have to play Pat Cummins, and a lot of Andre Russell will definitely play, and then you're looking at Eoin Morgan, who's a third out there. So Sunil Narine and Shakib, one of them will play. I don't think both of them can play, and that is going to be a very interesting conundrum. Is he going to be the player? The only worry that I have about this KKR is it's nicely loaded. The engine room is well loaded. I mean, so Morgan, people like Morgan, Cummings, Andre Russell, they'll finish off spectacularly. But no team has succeeded. No team has won the IPL without having a really solid and successful top three. Now, if your top three is one of these four, it's Gill, Nitish Rana, Rahul Tripathi, and maybe Shakib or Sunil Narine. If these are the 4-5 players in condition for those three places, are they good enough to win you a championship? That, I think, is a crucial question, because I think the back order is enough. I think their bowling options are decent enough because they've got a lot of bowling now. They have a lot of all-rounders, therefore they have variety in their bowling. It's that top three that bothers me. Every other top three in the IPL is strong.
Yeah, but that's because their three best batsmen, Morgan, Karthik and Russell, all want to play at 6. They don't want to come ahead. It's just baffling how they don't want to come ahead, right? You perhaps, Harsha, would want to play them 4, 5, 6. Yes, the problem of top three is still there. I would perhaps even say play them 3, 4, 5, but let's say you play them 4, 5, 6. You play Nitish Rana at 3, who I think is now back and training with the squad. You have Shubham as your opener. Then who is your second opener there? Are you going with Rahul Tripathi? Because your foreign slots, 2 of them are taken in the top 6, which is Morgan and Russell. Or do you slam a Shakib in there at number 3? What are you doing there, Harsha? Because that means you can only play Pat Cummins or Loki, one of them.
Yeah. Since you mentioned Nitish Rana, I must tell you a little story. I opened my door at 8:45 this morning. It rang. I'm in isolation in quarantine. And there were these guys sitting with the swabs. And I said, this was my 4th test in 9 days. I said, come on, 4 tests in 9 days. They said, sir, Nitish Rana ne na 11 din mein 10 kiye test. Wow. So I said, main kuch nahi bol raha hu. I think Nitish Rana should open. I think one of their problems was that they always let Sunil Narine be the floater, saying you go for it. If it comes off, it comes off. Sunil Narine's success came in part because people were utilizing spin against Chris Lynn, and Sunil Narine was partaking of the benefit of that. Yeah. But now, if they, as you said, 4, 5, 6 all want to bat in the second half of the innings, then as Joy says, the top half has to be solid. The top half cannot be lagi to lagi. Top half has now to be solid. That's why I thought Shakib in the top at 3. He went and batted 3 in a 50-over World Cup and made 500 runs, something like that. Yeah. He was my player of the tournament. I mean, eventually it was Williamson, and that was deserved too. But Shakib made a lot of runs at 3. So what Shakib at 3 does is it allows you to open with Nitish Rana, who will go for it as well, and allow Shubman Gill to play himself in. The only issue with Shakib at 3 is that you have Rana left-hander, Shakib left-hander, Morgan left-hander. So they'll have to break that up in some form. But Joy is right. You cannot play both Sunil Narine and Shakib. And Kolkata is a team that is steeped in gratitude and tradition and whatever, much like the city. And so they might say Sunil Narine has to play. But Sunil Narine is not the bowler that he was. Sunil Narine is now sort of 4 overs 30 for maybe 1 wicket here and there kind of bowler. So if he's doing that, Shakib can do the same thing. That's my view of this KKR team. And therefore, as I said in my blog, it'll leave one number 7 vacant. Either you can say, I'll play Cummins at 7 and fill my side with bowlers. But if you've got Shakib, Russell and Karthik in your top 6, it means you've got keeper and 7 overs there in your top 6.
Yeah.
then you play a floater. That is why I brought out this theory of the umbrella man, saying what Badrinath did for CSK is what Karun Nair does for KKR. If you're 20 for 2, Karun Nair comes out to bat. If you're 80 for 2, you tell Karun Nair, thank you very much, take some catches in the deep.
Yeah, interesting. Umbrella man. I like the concept. Let's have a look at...
बारिश हुई तो छाता चाहिए ना? वो छाता.
Absolutely. Why did you break it down? It was sounding like a management concept before. Then you just broke it down into something so practical. खुद ही आपने dilute कर दिया.
मुझे लगा दिल्ली वालों को बारिश का क्या पता, इसीलिए.
सही बात है सर. You're absolutely right. You're so right. Let's have a look at what our rainmakers have said about the chances of Kolkata here. 7s from me and Harsha. 7 from Simon Dool as well. And something has happened. Either we've got it upside down. I don't know. Kuch to what?
I have 4
teams. Did you mean to say, you meant to say 9, right? So why did you put
No. I had 4 teams on 6. I have 1 team on 5.5. And I have a couple of teams on top of that. All my marking is very conservative. So if you're looking at KKR at 6, there are 4 teams on 6 the same level.
No.
I mean,
no.
You know what people have done right now? People who are watching it on their iPads and their phones they've like turned it around.
Joy is playing the reverse jinx game. I'll say 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, and then they'll do well.